Are you ready to make this year the year you take control of your health? It's time to stop the endless cycle of bad eating habits and make real change. And we're not just talking about a diet, but a lifestyle change. Whether you choose keto, carnivore, Mediterranean, or a balanced approach through moderation, the goal is to pick something sustainable and stick to it. It's not about deprivation. It's about taking control and creating a way of eating that aligns with your life and goals. And let's be real, snacks, they're the biggest enemy, and cutting them out is the first step. But before we help you redefine your relationship with food, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a better life. Let's start with a mindset shift. Eating healthy isn't about going on a diet for a few weeks or months. It's about creating a lifestyle that fits you, that you can stick with for the long haul. So what are your options? Let's break down some popular choices to see which one resonates with you. The ketogenic diet focuses on reducing carbs to an absolute minimum while prioritizing healthy fats and protein intake. The idea is to push your body into ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. Benefits of keto include rapid weight loss, increased mental clarity, reduced cravings for sugar and carbs, no more energy roller coaster. However, keto requires dedication. Cutting carbs can be challenging, but once you're in ketosis, you'll feel energized and less hungry. Stick to whole foods like meats, avocados, and leafy greens, and avoid processed keto products. The carnivore diet simplifies things even more. You eat only animal products, meat, fish, eggs, and some dairy. No vegetables, no grains, no sugar. It's about going back to basics and cutting out everything else. The benefits? Improved digestion, reduced inflammation, simple meal prep. This lifestyle works for those who want to eliminate all processed foods and focus on clean, animal-based nutrition. However, it might not be for everyone, so ease into it if you're curious. The Mediterranean diet is often touted as one of the healthiest diets in the world. It emphasizes healthy fats like olive oil, lean proteins like fish and chicken, lots of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. It's a balanced approach that's easy to sustain. The Mediterranean lifestyle promotes heart health and longevity, and it's less restrictive than keto or carnivore. If strict diets aren't for you, focus on moderation. This means eating a little bit of everything, but being mindful of portions and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Balance is key. Prioritize lean proteins and veggies. Limit processed foods and sugar. Treat yourself occasionally, but not daily. Moderation is often the easiest lifestyle to stick to because it doesn't feel like a drastic change. It's just smarter and more mindful eating. If you know yourself well enough, you might want to choose something more restrictive. Some people will do better with more rules and structure. It's the reason some of you have not succeeded. You need the hard rules. The easiest way to start your journey is cut out snacks. Snacks are the silent killers of any healthy eating plan. Those chips, cookies, or a handful of nuts throughout the day add up fast, spiking your blood sugar and sabotaging your goals. Here's why you should quit snacking. It disrupts your natural hunger cues. It adds unnecessary calories. It keeps you tied to bad habits. If you feel hungry between meals, drink a glass of water or herbal tea. Most of the time, hunger is just thirst or boredom or a habit you created. The feeling will pass and you'll feel more in control. Processed foods and seed oils are silent saboteurs of your health. They're packed with unhealthy fats, added sugars, and the artificial ingredients that can lead to overeating and inflammation in your body. Processed foods are engineered to make you overeat and crave more. Seed oils like canola and soybean oil are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause chronic inflammation and other health issues. They are linked to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Instead, stick to whole, unprocessed foods and healthier fats like olive oil, butter, or avocado oil. Cooking at home lets you control what goes into your meals and keeps your diet clean and aligned with your goals. You don't have to do this alone. Find a partner, coach, or a friend to hold you accountable. Having someone to check in with can make all the difference. Share your goals, progress, and struggles, and support each other in staying on track. Also, set up a weekly or bi-weekly cooking night where you and a friend get together and share a healthy, home-cooked meal. One of the best ways to stick to your healthy eating lifestyle is by cooking at home. Eating out often leads to unhealthy choices and hidden calories. By preparing your own meals, you control what goes into your body and can align your meals with your chosen lifestyle. Here are some tips for cooking at home. Meal prep once a week to save time. Use spices and herbs to make simple meals feel exciting. Experiment with healthy recipes to keep things interesting. Treats are fine, but they shouldn't be weekly. Aim for every other week or less, and choose treats that align with your goals. For example, a keto treat, dark chocolate, or a homemade keto dessert. Mediterranean treat, a small serving of whole grain pasta or a glass of red wine. Carnivore treat, a richer cut of meat like ribeye. The key is to indulge without going off the rails. Enjoy it and then get back on your routine. Don't try to overhaul your eating habits overnight. Start slow. Cut out snacks first. Replace processed food with whole foods. Gradually reduce sugar and refined carbs. Start prepping meals at home. Small changes add up, and easing into the transition makes it more sustainable. Eating out can be a challenge, but if you know you are going to eat out, you can adjust the meals that day to compensate for the lack of real choice when eating out that night. If you want to get a little wild with a meal and splurge, do it at home where you can control the splurge and you will know how much of all the unhealthy ingredients went into what you just ate. It is important to make better choices when you are out because everything is worse than you think. Save the bad choices for at home when you can control them and know how bad they really are. Changing how you eat isn't easy, but it's worth it. This isn't just about weight loss. It's about taking control of your health, your energy, and your life. Find a lifestyle that works for you and make it a part of who you are. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Small steps lead to big results. So what's your first step? Cut out snacks? Cook one more meal at home? The choice is yours, and your health depends on it. What you put into your body is the biggest key to weight loss, but also way more important to good health than you will ever truly know. Thanks for watching, and congrats on taking the next step towards a better life. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. At Adulting 101, we're here to help you thrive, not just survive.